All right, welcome back to the Clack Shack, and I have a big surprise for some of y'all. And when I say a big surprise, guys, I mean I have a big surprise for some of y'all. This is the, I'm gonna say it, Nivill. This is their new honeycomb that they've came out for all you guys that have the stretch limo model machines that I don't have yet, which I had been considering doing. And so when they sent me an email and said they have one of these guys, I figured if nothing else, I can always use a smaller machine on it if I'm doing testing on the table. But in the event that I decide to extend one of my machines, I would need this guy. Now, one thing I will say, it's not light, guys. This is a metal honeycomb. Magnets will stick to it. It is actually 37 3/8 inch long. And stand by it, I'll give you the width. So we're looking at 19 5/8 wide. And I can tell you it does fit between the legs of an X-Tool D1 because I've got my D1 set up doing some testing over here. And I just set it up to test, and the X-Tool, my standard X-Tool from outside to outside is right around 24 inches. So as far as the work dimensions, the workspace capabilities of this thing, I think all you guys that keep messaging me about my honeycomb holders and asking if it'll work with the two honeycomb setup, to be honest, guys, I've never liked the idea of having two honeycombs together like that. I've always said that before I would upgrade to a longer body, I would need a full continual honeycomb. And guess what? I got one now. So I'm going to drop the links down below for these guys. This is the first piece of equipment I've seen of theirs. It is built very well. It does have the scale on it, and I know there was some still got the plastic on this guy. I know there was some debate over, you know, the previous ones. You could either get them in metric or you could get them with the imperial system on them. But this guy has both. For those of you that prefer one over the other, I'm assuming all of them will be this way. But it has the metrics as well as inches. It goes from 0 to 17 or 0 to 430. It also comes with a backer panel that is equal to the size of this guy. So that's a pretty good little setup there for those of y'all that have the stretch setups. So just thought I'd share that with you before I do my other video, but I'm gonna be back shortly doing another one about some experimentation I'm doing tonight with a new product that I didn't know you could engrave, but I have found out that apparently you can. So come back and check that out.